Hey, why are you calling in the middle of the night?
You've got some nerve asking? My 6-foot frame is practically shrinking from all this grinding. I was sound asleep. And what's with making my jaw muscles twitch like that?
No way! I was asleep too! Wait, where's that club music coming from? Oh no! It's the jaw control zone! Some of the nerves are way too hyper and still partying, dragging my jaw muscles along for the ride!
Doc, what's the deal with me grinding my teeth at night?
Teeth grinding can be caused by a lot of things, like high stress from work or periodontal issues. It's tough to cure completely, but it can be managed. Try wearing a night guard when you sleep from now on.